Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Ananya's Crafty Creations. First craft is this beautiful DIY diary that your teacher is gonna love. She can write her important things in this diary and it's so cute. So now let's see how to create this diary. The things required are stapler, scissors, glue, pink and black sketch pen, decorative flowers, something like these, and then we'll require a few sheets. I've already cut these sheets, so now let's see how to create this diary. First of all, cut some sheets and then fold them in half and then staple them. And fold them. Now for decorating the cover of this diary, I have chose the white cover only. I'm going to take this black marker and first of all I'm going to draw eyes. I'm going to draw these lashes. Now I'm going to draw a smile. Now using the pink sketch pen, I'm going to draw its pinky pink cheeks. Now under this face I'm going to write Happy Teacher's Day. You can write any thought or a message for your teacher, but I'm going to write simply Happy Teacher's Day. And now using my glue I'm going to paste these flowers. These are completely optional. You can give this diary as it is to your teacher, but if you want it to be more beautiful then paste these flowers and your diary is done. Isn't it pretty? So now let's move on to our second craft. So our next craft is a bookmark. For making the bookmark we'll need colored sheets of paper, scissors, black marker and a glue. So now let's get started. First take a rectangle sheet of paper and write a message for your teacher as I am writing here. So I'm writing a message here. So I will darken this message. So I have darkened this message, and now I'm going to take this very pretty pink colored sheet and I'm going to cut hearts out of it. So I have cut some small hearts and one big heart, and I'm going to paste it on this bookmark. And now I'm going to paste this big heart on the top. And voila! Our bookmark is ready! Hope you guys enjoyed my video and liked my craft, and if you do, then give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below, because I just love reading your lovely comments. And also subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.